Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In this video, I will be sharing one recipe for breakfast or school tiffin box and one recipe for lunch menu. Also, I will be sharing the backyard cleanup and planting few plants for this summer. Now at first let's go to Costco. You can see the weather. It's nice and sunny. It was over the weekend. I went to Costco. At that time I bought few plants for planting it in my backyard. Few vegetable plants only I chose to buy, and let me take you over there. Usually I will buy plants either from Home Depot or even from Walmart. That is the most best place you can buy plants at a very low cost. Here and all you will have little lot bigger in quantity and bigger pots at a real high price. Of course for those size of pots the price is good, but I don't need that. All small pots and all early morning itself had gone. I was a little late to buy there. Again I will go once again to Walmart or Home Depot or Lowe's. At that time again I will share. You can see here there were lot of flowering plants only, which I was not interested to buy, because flowering plants, if you plant in your backyard, you cannot go and relax there too much. Lot of bees will be there. Already my neighbors have it too much, so I am not buying flowering plants. Let's start preparing the breakfast recipe, that is nice egg and vegetable mix vermicelli or sivaya. For that I have taken enough oil, whole spices, onions, nicely fry the onions until translucent. To the ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder and chili powder is optional. I am just adding only green chili, tomato, mint leaves, coriander leaves and vegetables of your choice. You can see I added the taste maker, that is chicken stock. If you have chicken pieces, you add directly chicken pieces. Otherwise taste maker you can add, and it's optional. You can skip also. You can see I am making with egg. This is how you can make small pits in between the masala and add the eggs. Just I will break the yellow so that it will get cooked easily, very fast, and it won't be round, and the egg will get mixed with the sivaya easily. All pure vegetarians can easily omit this egg also and go with the recipe. It will be perfectly fine. Always I have heard from many people they don't like this sivaya or the vermicelli also, because the reason is the perfect way of cooking. Little extra oil and ghee. In the beginning you saw the oil, right? It was not just the oil, it was a mix of oil and ghee together. That will enhance the flavor of your vermicelli. Of course even the vermicelli choice is also making big difference. I take a little thin one which easily get cooked quickly. I bring it from India and keep. When I was in US in Atlanta, all the shops over there, desi shops, you will get them. Here in Canada I don't find it. I bought these packets from India and kept it. Very less water only you need it, and after adding vermicelli, just 3 minutes, not more than 3 minutes you should cook. It will be well done instantly. Morning hours, rush hours, going to school and all, this recipe is very easy to cook and definitely you can try. Now you will see this is also a lunchbox recipe. I will show you and share you our house lunchbox today. There are many different ways you can prepare this same sivaya or vermicelli, either with mutton, chicken or keema, or simply with vegetables, or like how I have prepared today with egg. You can see the tiffin box, snacks box is ready, and our vermicelli tiffin box is also very much ready for school lunch box. Cooking time of this vermicelli depends on the type of vermicelli you take. Either it is too thin or thick. Depending on that, the water also will change. Mine is medium in the thickness. The thin means the one which we make for sheer korma, right? That one. And thick means bambino. Bambino also will be nice. For that you need little extra water and also extra time to cook. Now let's come and clean our backyard. You can see all over these yellow flowers and mint everywhere. It's going wild. While I was cleaning all that, my husband and my kids were having this sugar cane from Indian market. I did this cleaning work for 2 to 3 days. Every day I will be doing from one side. It is really looking very simple, but really it's time taking and full energy you need to do all this. All this also I will be removing, even the plants in between these stones, right, on the floor, that also has to be removed. Next day I started planting all the plants which I brought from Costco, that is tomato plants. Here in this bed already these two big plants were there. They come by themselves every year. They are nice flowering plants. I will show you in this video itself. Couple of days next to this planting, those white flowers will nicely bloom. And this plant right in front also has nice big flowers. It will take a little while. Now you can see I am just planting all my tomato plants and pepper plants. Pepper means I bought banana pepper and jalapeno. And tomatoes, two different variety of tomatoes I brought. Let me see if I go to Walmart, if I find cherry tomato ones, I will bring. I did not find them in Costco, so I am still looking out for that. By the time I finished cleaning all over, the weather again became bad. I can't imagine how it will go. This is the month of May, mid-May. Still the weather is bad. Frost warning is there in couple of days. The weather is cold early in the morning, in the evening. That is the time I give for my gardening. So again this whole work will be stopped for 2 more days, and those strawberry plants will be coming somewhere on this side, so I have not yet planted them. All the debris collected after cleaning, see this, I told, right, in 2 days, see how they have bloomed so beautifully. These white plants, white flowers, very beautiful. They will just stay for only 4 to 5 days. After that they will be dead. And here you can see, you will buy Costco bags of this kind to discard all these plants, that is waste plants. That's how you should keep it for the waste management people. And this is my small mini garden which lived all through winter inside our house. Now let's prepare a simple, no, it's not simple, it's a very special curry, I would say. Mutton first we will make soup and boil it. The purpose is to boil the mutton and keep, but I will use the soup as having it as a soup also. For that you have to increase or decrease the water quantity. Just take mutton, onion, tomato, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, green chili, salt to taste. That's all. Add water according to your requirement. Now you can see I have kept everything ready. This is potato and drumstick. I have cut them in the same shape, and onions and tomatoes, you can see. Potatoes always keep in water this way so that they don't change the color. Onion and tomato has become into paste. Now let's start preparing the curry. I have taken enough oil. In that mustard seeds, jeera, curry leaf and little bit of onion and tomato. Nicely saute it. If you don't have also, no worries, leave it. Now powdered masala, chili powder, turmeric powder, dhania powder, salt to taste. That's it. Instantly add the paste, that is onion tomato paste. Otherwise the masala will burn and the color will not be as rich as it looks now. And add little bit of water. If the onion tomato paste is not ready, instantly add 1 glass of water. Now you can see I am adding the drumstick. First drumstick will take a little longer time. When it is halfway done, I have added the potatoes. Now when potatoes are well done, at that time you can see our mutton is also well done. I will be adding half of the mutton in this curry, and half of the soup also I will be adding in this. Nicely give it a good mix. Along with this I will add tamarind puree. Always I keep in my freezer frozen. See this way, 2 cubes I am adding tamarind puree. It is. Nicely give it a good mix, and we will cover it and cook for 5 minutes. That's it. Our curry is very much ready. One ingredient is missing. Why? I will tell you later. See, The remaining mutton I will just keep it in one box for preparing another curry next day. Either it be bhendi gosh or it will be karela gosh. Both the recipes already I have shared on the channel. See, I will be having some soup also in between while cooking. Now add enough coriander leaves and our curry is very much ready. One ingredient I told, right? See, I will add that ingredient and show instantly the creaminess will increase. See here. Now I have added coconut milk. If you don't have this canned coconut or coconut milk powder, go with fresh coconut at the time of adding the mutton itself. Mutton and tamarind you added, right, that time. But I have this canned coconut milk that takes the curry to the next level. Creaminess is extremely great. If you have not tried it yet, sure give it a try. I am sure you all will love it. I served this curry with steaming hot rice. I am sure you will all love it. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Live Tasty Be Happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.